Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Driver Caught Doing 60 in a 40, Passenger Climbing Out of Sunroof.
On July 6, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after it was observed speeding while a passenger was standing through the sunroof.
Do you want to explain any of that? Can you see your license, please?
Cat got her tongue, huh?
Do you have an ID with you? Can I see it, please? You don't have it?
No.
Okay. What are you guys doing?
Hanging out.
Acting stupid?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're going.
Just hanging out. Literally, just hanging out. Hanging out of the window.
Going between 60 and 80 in a 40, and then you're climbing out the window. You guys don't see anything wrong with that?
Yeah?
Is there a reason for it?
No.
No?
No.
Why don't you step out, driver? Step out.
Good.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
Why?
Step out.
Give me your phone.
Step out for me. Step out. You're being detained right now. Step out.
Why?
Well, because right now I suspect you have DUI. Why don't you step out?
Can I smoke my cigarette too?
Say that again?
Can I smoke cigarette?
Stop.
If you come out here, you can smoke it for a little bit.
You can step out the car real quick. Passenger, step out the car real quick.
No.
78 County, London has been dispatched.
Step out the car real quick, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm not gonna.
What's wrong with these people? What is wrong with these people, man? You can't make this up. The guy, I think the guy is actually, he would be, I think the guy don't really want any trouble, honestly. But on the other end, he's following his girl's lead, step out. I think he would step out, like if she was cooperating and stepping out and doing, I think he would. But the fact that she's giving a hard time, he's going to give a hard time.
Touch you if you just step out of the car.
Hey.
See, because he kind of defers to her.
Hey.
Okay, this is the
Call
last
your
time
mom.
I'm gonna ask nicely. I need
Call
you to
your
step out
mom.
of the car, please.
I will. Seriously.
Step out for me.
Here.
Yank her out. Let's get her together. She not acting right. Oh, yeah, get him right. Oh, yeah.
Don't.
Oh, yeah. Get him right.
Carl.
Step out for me.
You
Can I
next.
smoke this too?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Okay. What's going on?
I'm not even around her. I never drive around here.
Okay.
I was just
Where do you live at?
in Marengo,
Do you know where you're at now?
Rockford.
No.
That's what I thought.
You're in between Rockford and Marengo. You're in Sycamore.
Okay.
Okay. Is there a reason that you were driving kind of fast with her climbing out the window? You guys just having fun, or what are you doing?
I don't know. Where's...
Wait, that's a her? Oh, yeah, boy. Whoo! Whoo! I didn't know that. The passenger is a her? See, you can't tell nowadays, man. People be, what's going on here? I gotta go back.
Do you have an ID with you? Can I see it, please? You don't have it?
No.
Okay. What are you guys doing?
Sitting out.
Acting stupid?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're going between 60 and 80 in a 40, and then you guys don't see.
I gotta see the face.
Step out.
Good.
Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Why?
Step out.
Give me your phone.
You know what? It could. Yeah, nowadays, boy. Oh my God.
Fast with her climbing out the window. You guys just having fun, or what are you doing?
I don't know. She's not a bad person.
She's gonna be fine. They're gonna put her in the back seat, and she's gonna be fine. Okay. They asked her a couple times to get out of the. Okay. Once she gets in the car, she'll be fine. Okay.
I know she's gonna explode because she's gonna freak out.
Okay.
I know that.
So you're on your way back to Marengo?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you guys having fun? Were there issues?
Yeah, no.
Why was she climbing out the sunroof?
She was having fun.
Just having fun? Okay. So you guys maybe had a little bit too much fun?
We're just going home.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. What were you drinking?
Beer.
Beer. Okay.
I had no shots, nothing.
Okay. How many beers would you say?
Like 4 or 5.
When did you start drinking?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Do you know what time it is now?
No, I don't.
How about if you were to take a wild guess?
I don't know.
Okay.
Please don't harass my girlfriend. She didn't do it.
Well, I mean, if she would have gotten out of the car and just listened, I understand
she
that.
freaks out.
I understand that.
Freaks out.
So right now
bad.
she's safe in the back of my car, and you're going to be
In
able
your
to call
car?
your mom. No, their car. Okay. You're going to be able to call your mom and do all that like she suggested. Okay.
So I had to go to jail?
Well, no, you're not going to go to jail, but more than likely I am going to arrest you for DUI.
Why?
Okay, because I don't think that you're in a good spot to drive right now. I think
I could go home with her.
I think you had too much to drink.
Can we just go home?
Yeah, you are going to go home, okay, tonight, but it's going to be a couple hours for paperwork and stuff.
And for you to sober up.
Okay, because you should not be driving right now.
No.
Especially not the way I saw you driving. You were driving 80 miles an hour on this strip of highway here. And this isn't even a highway. You're in the middle of a city.
I'm not even around here.
I know, but this is not, what I'm trying to say is this is not an interstate. You should not be going 80 miles an hour. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Okay.
My uncle just died. We're dealing with a lot of shit. So.
Okay. And any problems that can be helped now?
Mental? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Will you do field sobriety tests for me?
No.
No? Okay. Then put your cigarette out. We're not going to. Put your hands out just like this.
Can we go somewhere that's
Yep.
safe?
Yep.
This is
We're
not safe.
gonna walk back to my car. Come on, we can walk back to my car.
And we're all gonna leave together?
Yes, we're all gonna go to the police department, which is like 3 blocks that way. Okay? So why don't you come walk with me and we'll go back in my car. It's okay. We'll get you home, okay?
No.
It's all right.
Man, cuff her behind the back. Why are you cuffing her in the front? Cuff her behind the back. She didn't want to get out the car. She was. Oh man, come on, man.
Have a seat.
They put them together. Oh.
you back to Marengo, and you're going to be able to call her mom.
In my car?
Your car's going to be towed. And
What do you mean?
it's going to be towed.
Here, what's your name?
I will give you my card. Okay?
No, wait.
Once we get to the station, I can explain all of your questions.
The driver was charged with DUI, while the passenger was charged with obstructing illegal transportation of alcohol and failure to wear a seatbelt. Let me know your thoughts in the
Failure to wear a seatbelt. Yeah, that's them. That's those type of charges that you get just for being an asshole. Anyway, man, like let's get to it, man. So that was pretty interesting. So we got our jailhouse accountability scorecard. All right. The closer you are to zero, the whole idea behind this, right? I don't even think I've explained it to, people that have been watching me, right? The whole thing behind this, right, is that this would be able to gauge what type of inmate they would be, right? Like if you're closer to 10, you're going to be more of a problem child, right? That's the whole idea behind it. That's why we got these type of categories and stuff like that or whatever. The closer you are to zero, you'll be a modeled inmate, right? But anyways, we got 6 categories here: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety risk, wasted chances. All right. So for compliance, I got 6 out of 10. She eventually cooperated, but she delayed stepping out and refused field sobriety test. Now, field sobriety test, it's your choice or whatever, right? So I don't hold that much weight against it, but the whole point about her not wanting to step out and stuff like that is where we really get the 6 out of 10 from. Attitude, she wasn't overly disrespectful, but I just give a 4 out of 10. All right. So self-control, we got 5 out of 10 here. Driving drunk, speeding, and letting a passenger hang out the sunroof shows poor decision making, right? That's middle of the road, right? Self-control. Truthfulness, 6 out of 10. She admitted drinking beer, but I don't know. 2 basic questions did not help her case, right? So she don't know the time. She don't, things of that nature. Stuff like that. So she gets 6 out of 10. Safety risk, 9 out of 10. Going around 80 miles in a 40 with someone standing through the sunroof is a serious crash waiting to happen. It almost gets no worse than that. Okay, that's bad. Okay, so you get a 9 out of 10 for that. Wasted chances, 7 out of 10. She had a chance to cooperate with the DUI investigation, but refusal made the arrest almost automatic. Okay, like I said, it is your choice to not do the field sobriety test, but I didn't really have enough room to put this in there. But when I look at wasted chances and stuff like that, I look at the whole thing, right? Including her stepping out of the vehicle. Okay. You had time and time again, step out of the vehicle. Like the officers had to pry things out of you. Like, and it just didn't have to go that way. It wasn't too bad of a scene, but it could have still went a lot smoother, right? We had to get the passenger together, all this different type of stuff, man. So either way, final jail score, 37 out of 60. Converted score is 6.2 out of 10. Okay. She'd be like an average inmate. Okay. Average. You know what I mean? Just regular. She got some bullshit with her. You know what I mean? But it's just regular. Okay. Nothing too crazy. All right. Let me know your score in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.